Welcome back to Mervin Channel, where we believe that natural beauty is the best beauty. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: skincare for men and women. In this video, we'll share some incredible tips and techniques to help you achieve naturally radiant skin without relying on harmful chemicals. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Importance of natural skincare. Before we jump into the tips, let's talk about why natural skincare is crucial. Our skin is the largest organ of our body, and it deserves the best care. Natural skincare not only helps us maintain healthy and youthful skin but also minimizes the risk of harmful side effects caused by synthetic products. Tip number 2. Cleansing routine. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing. For men and women alike, it's essential to find a gentle, natural cleanser that suits your skin type. Look for ingredients like aloe vera, tea tree oil, or chamomile, which have excellent cleansing properties. Tip number 3. Exfoliation and scrubs. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and revealing a fresh, glowing complexion. For men and women, consider using natural exfoliants like sugar, coffee grounds, or oatmeal. These ingredients effectively exfoliate without causing irritation. Tip number 4. Hydration and moisturization. Hydrating and moisturizing the skin is essential for both men and women. Opt for natural moisturizers that contain ingredients like shea butter, jojoba oil, or coconut oil. These will nourish and replenish your skin, leaving it soft and supple. Tip number 5. Sun protection. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is crucial, regardless of gender. Make sure to apply a natural sunscreen with a broad spectrum of SPF 30 or higher. Look for sunscreens containing zinc oxide or titanium dioxide for effective and safe sun protection. Tip number 6. Dietary tips for healthy skin. A healthy diet plays a vital role in achieving naturally radiant skin. Include foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, and reduce your consumption of processed foods and sugary drinks. Tip number 7. Lifestyle habits. Lastly, let's discuss some lifestyle habits that contribute to healthy skin. Get enough sleep to allow your skin to rejuvenate. Manage stress levels through relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. And finally, avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption, as these can significantly impact your skin's health. And that wraps up our tips for naturally radiant skin care for men and women. Remember, taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By incorporating these natural techniques into your daily routine, you can achieve a healthy and glowing complexion. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Mervin Channel for more beauty tips and natural skincare advice. Until next time, stay naturally radiant.